Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you would add antifreeze to your 2016 Kia Sedona. So this Sedona, we have an overflow reservoir here, and we have markings on the side being low and high, and then we have this cap to open up to be able to put coolant in here. Now, if you had changed drained all the coolant because you'd done a water pump, you had radiator hose go bad, you do have on the right here on the top of the radiator, you have this cap that you could remove to pour the antifreeze in quite a bit faster instead of putting it through the reservoir. But if you just need to add some because over time it's evaporated off a little bit or whatnot, this is at the very low here. We're going to bring it up to the high there. Try to match the color that your vehicle has, and you can look that up and make sure you're using a good 50-50 concentrate. It has 50% water, 50%. You don't want to put full concentrate, and you don't want to put water. It can cause engine damage, and the cooling properties aren't there. There you go. So now we're up to the mid-range there, right at the full line for the antifreeze. So put the cap down, and so that's how you would add antifreeze to your Kia Sedona 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.